it's me, Teacher Donna, and welcome to our circle time. So today is the continuation of our lesson yesterday. So yesterday we talked about what? What did we study yesterday? Vocabulary, right? And can you remember? We have the king, queen, prince, princess, crown, and palace. And did you memorize those words? If not, well, you can memorize tomorrow or the next day. And please, if you or once you're ready, please take a video of you memorizing or telling or saying the spelling of those words. Okay? Teacher Donna will wait for your video. For today, we are going to have 5 national identities of Thailand. Are you ready? So if yes, let's start. I will show you the screen. All right. So now we will have Thailand's national fruit, Thailand's national animal. Number 3, Thailand's national tree and flower. And number 4, Thailand's national sport. And last but not the least, Thailand's national food. So one more time, can you please repeat after me? National fruit, national animal, national tree and flower, national sport, national food. So we will talk about Thailand's national identities today. And now let's start. Let's have the first one, the national fruit of Thailand. Do you know that mangosteen is Thailand's national fruit? So can you please read mangosteen? Do you like mangosteen? You have to remember, okay? Thailand's national fruit is it apple? No, it's mangosteen. So remember, you have to listen carefully and repeat after me, okay? And tomorrow we will have a test about this lesson, okay? So please listen carefully and please repeat after me. Mangosteen. Okay, now let's have the second one. Thailand's national animal is elephant. Elephant. So as you can see, there are beautiful and gorgeous elephants in the picture, right? So again, Thailand's national animal is elephant. Now let's have the third picture. Okay, so this is Thailand's national tree or flower. So it is called cassia fistula or golden shower flower. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. The flower is yellow, and this is what it looks like, or this is what the tree looks like. And these are the flowers. So it is called cassia fistula or golden shower flower. Again, golden shower flower because it looks like shower, right? A rain shower. Okay, cassia fistula or golden shower flower. Okay, so now let's have number 4. We have Thailand's national sport is Muay Thai. Again, Muay Thai. So it is not basketball, not badminton, not football. It is Muay Thai. So remember, Muay Thai is Thailand's national sport. And last one, we have Thailand's national food. So we have here Pad Thai. Do you like Pad Thai, yes or no? Teacher Donna likes Pad Thai very much. Again, one more time, Pad Thai. Okay, so you have to remember that it's not Tom Yum, right? It's Pad Thai. Okay, now let's go back and read again the sentences. So Teacher Donna will read, and after me, you have to repeat, okay? Are you ready? Let's start. Thailand's national fruit is mangosteen. Your turn. Okay, now let's have number 2. Thailand's national animal is elephant. Okay, number 3. Thailand's national tree and flower is cassia, fistula, or golden shower flower. This is a bit long, so teacher will read with you. Again, 1, 2, 3. Thailand's national tree and flower is cassia fistula or golden shower flower. Okay, number 4. Thailand's national sport is Muay Thai. Your turn. Okay, and last one. Thailand's national food is Pad Thai. Please read. Very good. So you have to remember and memorize this, okay? Because tomorrow morning we will have a short test, okay? And that will be 5 points. So this is very short, and Teacher Donna will see you again tomorrow. That's it for today's circle time. I will see you, everybody. I will see you tomorrow.